I got through the packaging and actually saw this hair color in person, oh y'all, listen, I've never had a color like this. This blonde balayage highlight is so pretty, and we're going to install it. Look at that lace. To go ahead and tint the lace to my skin tone, I am going to with my Ruby Kisses in the shade number 11, and I pop her right on the head. Very simple. This wig came pre-plucked. This lace is amazing. I know y'all saw, you basically saw straight through my wall, through the lace. Like, that lace is really good. This is how she's looking straight out of the packaging, y'all. I haven't done anything at this point. I'm just brushing through it to see how I like it. And as y'all can see by my facial expression, I'm liking it. Maybe it's the little kid in me. I don't know. But I like to plan the hair every now and then when I'm actually installing it. This would be a really cute style to do half up, half down, because this is a frontal wig. So don't forget, we can style her. But for this video, I'm going to be keeping it simple with the middle part bust down. So let's go ahead and get that started. This is for my average head, small head, big head friendly people, okay? Because this wig is easily customizable. If you have a smaller head like me, I just literally cut off each part near the ear tab to tailor it to my head shape. I feel like if you are of an average to bigger size head, this would be a great wig for you also, because either way, you're going to be able to cut it to your liking. I'm not a ball cap girly. I'm one of them ones that use some Even, some Fantasia melt spray, and go on about my day. So this is what I'm doing. I will be going in with what you guys call it a double melt by go ahead and spraying that Even on top of the lace as well. Double lace basically means, in my opinion, if you're using something underneath and you're using something at the top, it's a double layer. So that's just what I'm doing with this Even. I love the hole that it does with this. Go ahead and use that lace band at this time to help it kind of get marinated and melted on down. This is a point where it'd be good for you to go ahead and hot comb the hair, see how you want to do it. If you want to wand curl it, you do it at this point, but this is just something that you can do to make sure that that lace is melted down. For a flat install, I am officially a wax stick hot comb kind of girly. Especially for my straight bust down installs, y'all. A wax stick goes a long way with these hot combs. So I am now team hot comb for my bust down units. And as y'all can see after this first pass, look at this. This hair quality is so amazing. 250% density, and she melts like butter. Look at that hairline. I didn't have to pre-pluck it. Like, girl, what? Y'all, I tried to say pre-pluck it. Can you say a tongue twister? But this is how it's looking after a couple of passes with that hot comb. And as y'all can see, I'm feeling it even more. So shout out to y'all, Ashimary hair, because I didn't have to do much to this frontal install because the lace is very easy. This is me going in with an eyebrow razor. Do what's best for y'all, especially with a frontal. I like to go in with a razor just to get that jacket finished. Then I'm going to go on top with my Even and some of this Fantasia freeze spray, y'all. It's very runny, but she does the job, okay? Go back in with that melt band while I finish styling. And that's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I like to go in with my concealer when I'm wearing like a blonde or like an ashy tone hair. It's just make sure that part is more defined, and that is it. That's all I had to do. This is the finished results. I really love this color, and I'm very surprised because sometimes I'm very skeptical or shy to try colors like this, but I think it does me justice. So thank you so much to Ashimary hair, y'all. All the information on this unit will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. She's one of them ones, okay? Look at this. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.